Hi, this is Zach Anderson, and today I will be going over the coding problems of the final exam. There are 5 problems total, so this video specifically will be over the first problem. Per usual, let's begin by defining. So we click on this guy here. All right. Problem 1, string problem. Suppose you are given 2 strings, they may be empty, S1 and S2. You would like to lace these strings together by successively alternating elements of each string, starting with the first character of S1. If one string is longer than the other, then the remaining elements of the longer string should simply be added at the end of the new string. For example, if we lace ABCD and EFGHI, we would get the new string here. Write an iterative procedure called lace strings that does this, and then show test results of this. So let's have it to the code here and see what we did. So we see we have the function defined here, lace strings, that passes in the 2 parameters of S1 and S2. First, we made variables to store the lengths of S1 and S2 in I and j respectively. Then we also wanted to create an empty string variable, and this will eventually hold the new laced string. And we use a while loop here, and this is to iterate through all of the elements, lengths/elements of S1 and S2. This if statement is used to test the value of I. So if I is equal to 0, and this is just checking the remaining length of S1. So it's determining whether all the characters have already been processed from this. And then the second line here is basically just appending any remaining characters of S2. So the whole point of this line is to deal with different length strings and to append whatever would be left in S2 starting at a specific position to the end of the string. And then down here it's going to do the same thing, but this time it's just checking J, which is S2 as we saw up here. And then it's using the same code just reversed with S1 to check if all elements of S1 have been gone through. And then it's resetting the respective string at the end. So we see it's resetting J equal to 0 and I equal to 0. And then this is just signaling that it has been completely processed. Then we have this else statement, and this else statement runs if both strings still have characters, and it's just decrementing by 1 to move to the next character, and it's appending all remaining characters of either string to the final new variable we have, to our new lace string. And then we simply have a return statement at the end to return our new interwoven string. And as you see, we have our tester code here. So we had that example before. So let's make sure everything is connected and running. Maybe. There we go. Perfect. So if we run this, we see that we do have ABCD, EFGHI. So we should be taking the first, we interweaving it, right? So A, E, B, F, C, G, and then we add HI at the end because the string is longer. Perfect. Thank you for watching.